Hi, my name is Pierre Gagne, creator of Panorama 360 for insurance and wealth management. Capability maps, capability models, they're all words being used by all insurance companies, wealth management organizations, consulting companies, and technology vendors. Having your capability map can have significant improvement to the planning, designing, developing, and managing of your organization. Let me show you how Panorama 360 Enterprise Business Architecture Framework can do for you. Taking Panorama 360 as your enterprise business architecture map can save you a lot of time and money. Using this tried, tested, and proven map that's already been in use in multiple organizations. Having your capability map can improve communication and avoid endless discussion when not using a comprehensive framework like this one. It can ease the pain with this fully integrated functional and information framework. Here are comments from a former CIO of a life insurance company and after a president of a property and casualty company. Constance Lemieux had integrated Panorama 360 in her organizations for over 8 years. She used Panorama 360 to organize and analyze business processes, prepare projects, perform requirements, and even for her ROI activities. She had greater velocity and more particularly in validating that all business areas and services in the companies were being addressed. The Enterprise Business Architecture Framework in Panorama 360 offers a level of granularity. It includes value chain, capability maps, functional maps, information structures, information subjects, information topics, as well as the integration map between the capabilities and the information, and the ownership map of the functions to the information topics. The Enterprise Business Architecture Framework can be extended by adding the processes that are also part of Panorama 360 with a list of activities for all those processes, including metrics and stakeholder lists. The Panorama 360 comes as a set of books, either ebooks or paperback books, but there's also files that can be uploaded into your modeling tools that are available. Panorama 360 offers you a potential of structuring, validating, planning, and reusing what you have in your organization, thus creating an environment that could reduce the cost of your project, the time of your projects, and increase the quality of your projects as well. Initially, Panorama 360 in the early year 2000 was used for business architecture, process design, business requirements, and systems development. Afterward, Panorama 360 started being used by a number of other situations, and those situations are endless, and I cannot name all of them in these slides, but they can be used for compliance, organization structure, application management, and even master data management. The Enterprise Business Architecture Framework has different levels of granularity. It comes with 11 domains of capabilities, 75 major capabilities, and over 500 business functions capabilities are included with definitions On the other side, there's also information structures, and those information structures are mapped against the functional side of the capabilities. So we have on the information side, we have information domains, information subjects, and information topics, and they are mapped to show the integration that exists within the organization. In Panorama 360, we cover those various aspects. Customers, either from a personal lines perspective or individual lines, to the commercial side of the business. We also have the relationship side, the life event elements, business partnerships between our life and property and casualty companies, and external stakeholders that participate in the value chain from a marketing, a distribution, or a servicing perspective. We also have cross-selling patterns, product, service lifecycle, contract lifecycle, and the policy management or the contract management, plus business processes and monitoring them. We also have all the money and invested asset side to it, as well as the planning and stewardship part of insurance companies. The Panorama 360 capabilities, function, information, and processes can then be aligned with the vision, the objectives of the company, the performance criteria, the organization, the risks, the projects, customer journeys, and I'm just naming a few here that can be part of the evaluation of your capabilities and mapping it against your capability map. As I said previously, there are 11 domains, and those domains are subdivided into major capabilities. Each one of those major capabilities have extensive definitions, and there's 75 of them. And if we go down at a more level of granularity, we see 500 business capabilities or business functions that also have their definitions, and there's 500 and more. We also have information domains, and those information domains are structured, and there's also definitions for each one of those information topics. There's 13 domains of information in Panorama 360. There's also an organizational integration map showing the dependencies that exist between the major capabilities, and also the information ownership to those capabilities. These are maps that are being provided with Panorama 360. So to have Panorama 360 in your organization, you can save a lot of time and money. And I've seen organizations developing their own and starting their own maps, spending hundreds of thousands of dollars to develop their own, and ending with the use of Panorama 360 was a much better alternative for them, as it was a readily available model. It improved the communication and avoid endless discussion when not using such a framework, and also ease the pain with this fully integrated functional and information framework. If you have any questions on Panorama 360 that you want me to answer, please go to insuranceframeworks.com, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you for seeing this video, and we'll see you on our site. Have a great day.